This is the open loop transfer function given. We'll construct the body plot for this one. Here k is equal to 1. Initial slope will be is 20 dB per decade. This is due to the 10 at origin. If one pole is existing at origin, slope will be minus 20 dB because 0 is existing at origin. So slope will be, initial slope will be plus 20 dB per decade. So we construct the body plot now. Corner frequencies are given as 2, 0.2, 2, 10, 20, 50, 100, 1000. So initial slope is 20 plus 20. Initial magnitude it depends upon assumed starting frequency. Here we assume the initial starting frequency is 0.1. So initial magnitude can be 20 log 0.1 plus 20 log k. Here k is equal to 1, so this becomes 0 dB. So initial magnitude will be minus 20 dB. So this is minus 20 dB. Initial slope is plus 20. This is plus 20 dB per decade. The initial slope plus 20 dB is maintained till when it reaches to the first corner frequency. Is minus 20 dB initial magnitude is existing at, and the assumed corner frequency is at 0.1. This is 0.1. Before 0.1, and that means before 0.2 corner frequency, the slope is minus 20 throughout. Okay, when it reaches to the first corner frequency, initial corner frequency, initial slope plus 20 is being modified as, because at 0.2 we have one pole, so the resultant slope will be minus 20, plus 20 minus 20. Here it is one pole is added, minus 20, so resultant slope will be 0 dB. This is 0 dB. Okay, the same when it reaches to the omega is equal to 2, again at omega is equal to 2, two zeros has been added. Two zeros means plus 40 dB per decade slope has been added. Here two zeros are added. Okay, here one pole. Okay, at omega is equal to 2, slope has been increased to 40 dB per decade. This is 40 dB per decade. Okay, so we need to find out the magnitudes now. Magnitude at 0.2 is equal to slope is equal to magnitude at 0.1 minus magnitude at 0.2 log of 0.1 minus log of 0.2. magnitude at point 1 is minus 20 minus 1 minus of 0.3 becomes as minus 14 dB. So magnitude at omega is equal to 0.2 is minus 14 dB. The same magnitude is carried out to omega is equal to 2. So next thing is you need to find out the magnitude at omega is equal to 10. Magnitude at omega is equal to 10 is slope is equal to 40, magnitude at 2 minus magnitude at 10, log of 2 log of 10 comes as magnitude at 2 is minus 14, magnitude at 10 by 0.3 minus 1 comes as plus 40 dB. So magnitude at 10 is plus 14 dB. At omega is equal to 10, we have two poles has been added. Okay, so resultant slope will be plus 40, two poles has been added with minus 40 added, so resultant slope will be 0 dB. It is extended up to omega is equal to 20. Okay, at omega is equal to 20, again 3 zeros has been added, that means plus 60 has been added. This is 60 dB per decade. Slope is maintained up to the next corner frequency, that is omega is equal to 50. At omega is equal to 50, again 3 poles has been added, that is plus 60. At this point 3 poles has been added, minus 60 added, so resultant slope will be 0 dB. So 0 dB is maintained up to next corner frequency. Next corner frequency is omega is equal to 100. At omega is equal to 100, here 4 zeros has been added. 4 zeros has been added means the slope will be 80 dB per decade. At 80 dB per decade, at omega is equal to 1000, again it is 8. At omega is equal to 8, at omega is equal to 1000, 8 poles has been added. 8 poles has been added means minus 160 per dB. Minus 160 dB per decade slope has been added. So 80 minus 160, the resultant slope will be minus 80 dB per decade. Okay. Our next job is to find out the magnitude at the corresponding corner frequencies. At omega is equal to 10, magnitude is 14 dB. The same magnitude is carried out to omega is equal to 20, and we need to find out the magnitude at 50. Magnitude at 50 becomes slope magnitude 20 minus magnitude 50 log of 20 log of 50, that is equal to 14 minus magnitude 50 1.3 minus 1.7, it comes as 38 dB. So magnitude at 50 corner frequency, it is 38 dB. Same magnitude is carried out up to omega is equal to 100 because slope is 0. And we need to find out the magnitude at 1000 now. That is equal to slope magnitude at 100 minus magnitude at 1000 log of 100 minus log of 1000, 38,000, 2 minus 3, it comes as 118 dB. So here at omega is equal to 1000, the magnitude becomes 118 dB. So this is the Bode plot. When you extend the initial slope line minus plus 20 dB per decade, it cuts the 0 dB line at omega is equal to 1 and at k is equal to 1. It is true always.